How to add an address to your Instagram bio. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add the address. And your account should be a professional account. Now hit Edit Profile right under your profile picture. Here, you'll find various fields to edit your profile details. Scroll down to the Public Business Information section. Tap on Contact Options. Under Contact Options, go to Business Address. Here you can enter your address details. Fill in your street address, city, and zip code. Once you're done, just tap Done at the top right of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. If your account is not set to professional, follow these steps. Open the Maps app on your phone. Navigate to the location you want to add to your profile and tap precisely on that spot to pin it. Below, you'll find additional options. Scroll through these, then tap on the Share option. Tap on More Options and then copy the link. Now, go to your Instagram account and tap on the profile icon to go to your profile page. Select Edit Profile and click on Add Link. Choose Add External Link, then paste the location link you copied earlier. Name the link. Finally, tap the tick icon at the top to add the location to your profile.